Where's that blade? I had a blade here. Ah, there it is. Oh, no. Found it, cool. Good morning, you lovely lot. So, I thought, I've been collecting a few parcels from Japan, mainly for the crown, and I've got a special announcement, well, not announcement I would say, but more of a, something I'm pretty pleased with, but it's nothing special, but hopefully help some of you out as well, if you come to order some good products, I'm going to say. From what I've seen on the website, really good. Annoying thing is, they are in America, but we'll get to that later. But anyway, first things first, some lovely parcels from Japan. Now, the first one I've already opened because I want to make sure of it, because it is quite a hefty parcel. And if any of you are wondering how I order my stuff from Japan, I don't go through some third party that then rinses me of money because they are screwing you over. I use Buy. Very easy, cheaper, and you don't get bent the fuck over by middlemen, like most fucking people do. Anyway, first one. Now this, because my door handles are being pretty scratched up, I thought, let's get some fresh door handles for when I wrap the crown. And very much so, they are nice. They are gorgeous. No marks on any of them, not even on the keyholes, which are usually scratched to hell. So a full set of them. They weren't much either. Took quite a while though. First box, nothing exciting. This box, a little bit more exciting. So the crowns, the Athlete V's or the Estates, they came with a nice dash, but the Majestas came with an even nicer dash, a digital dash. Still trying to find that one. Digital speedo, normal, load of other stuff as well. But you need a second part, and that's what this is. Yeah. I didn't know about these until a friend showed me, and then I really wanted one. I got one part of it, which is this, but I've still got to find the other parts. Well, one other part. And you can also get a heads-up display on them, but it means you've got to cut either a hole out of the dash, or lovely, a bit weird. Cut the hole out of the dash, or buy one with the hole already in the dash and rip your old dash out and put a new one, which I've had to do that, so I'm not gonna. Oh, I've waited ages to open all these as well. Yeah. Ooh, lovely and clean. So, this piece that goes under the gauge cluster almost, or just above your steering column, and you'll notice a little extra set of buttons here, which is your different modes on your display, changing them, turning it on and off as well, and then you've obviously got your normal speedo controls there, or odometer settings. But lovely. I might show you where this goes in a sec. Gorgeous. And as you can see, they're very well wrapped as well for Japan. Stuck that one back in there. Now this one, again, I've been waiting for quite a while. So when you ship from Buy, you can choose how you ship. So whether it's air freight, which it can sometimes be not much, like 20-30 quid or something, to hundreds if you're wanting it literally next day. This piece I couldn't be paying for air freight. I thought it's no rush for it to come, so I'll take a chance of shipping. It's taken 3 or 4 months to come. No, 6 months. I can't remember when I ordered it now. It might have been 6 months. 4 to 6 months, the easiest way to put it. To the point I thought, shit, maybe it's been nicked or it's not turning up, because I know some ports in Japan or other countries, they will like to just nick stuff. But it's finally arrived. I'm quite happy it's arrived. So it's going to make the crown, the front end of the crown, it's going to finish it off actually. And I'm so glad I finally got it. Probably, yeah. I'm gonna probably burn that out and rip that out anyway. Bye. Ah, shit. Hopefully get this all done before it starts pissing down with rain. Cut through the lovely JDM sticker. Oh. I have to get off of this one. Jesus. That is very well wrapped, actually. Any goodies in here? No. Other than lots of Japanese newspaper, which is actually kind of awesome. Lewis, do you want some Japanese newspaper? Look, what we've got on it, it's just... Oh, look at that. Sumo wrestling. That's wild. I'm going to have a look through all that in a sec. That's funny. That's jokes. Let's get that all back in there for now. Oh, needs to be blade. There it is. So, some of you crown nosers might know what this is by the shape or size of it. And I got very lucky in finding this one. Oh, I'm just going to cut the boot, because a lovely inherent issue with the crowns is the grill. The studs, or the nut studs things, break on them because people lift the bonnet up in the wrong way. And I got very lucky in finding a clean, undamaged one for not very much. I would have liked to go for the Toyota grill, where people fit the Toyota Celsius grill in them, but I couldn't find one for... they're very expensive. I could do it myself, but again, it's getting the Celsius grill. So, oh. Very nice. You can see unsnapped studs in there as well. But the seal for the grill's kind of broken a little bit there, but that's not an issue. Get loose stuff, nice. Oh, I got very lucky with that. That's a little bit loose. Oh no. Okay, they're all a little bit loose. They're meant to have some playing, but I'm very lucky in finding one with no snapped bolts. I won't be able to fit that now because I'll need to get some nuts that fit that size. That's not an issue, but that's a lot better. What I mean is if... oh shit, you see the microphone in that. Oopsie. Oh well. There we go. But if I come over to my current grill, absolute state of it at the moment is a different style. So the Series 2s had these sort of style grills, and the Series 1 have the plus shaped ones. While I'm at it, I will show you. So yeah, that trim will replace that piece of trim there. Nothing special, but it will mean a nice digital gauge cluster at some point soon. Very nice. So a few little treats. Now, I think onto my big news. Okay, there we go. So, I just thought I'd finish this video off. Nothing long, just a little unboxing. But I did want to talk about this little package here. Now, I didn't really go looking for a sponsorship, but I thought, well, it might be something that would benefit me, but also benefit my viewers. Now, I got in touch with this company called Lowered Empire, and I got accepted to be a sponsor. Well, being sponsored by them, and essentially, they've got some good products on there. Some probably helped me grow as well, and I, well, get you some good discounts hopefully. I should do, or do. I'm still waiting on getting some information back from them, but their quality, like this is a little package I got from them. Their clothes really good from the website. Their graphics as well, they're really good. Stickers, they do steering wheels, vinyl wraps, suspension. I've seen discount codes with the suspension, but they've not got on there any on their website yet. It is an American brand, but why I went for them or accepted them was the fact of brands in the UK, they don't seem to supply very much or don't really help out very much. Not like discounts or anything like that, but so yeah, I'm going to be putting discount codes. Oh, not show you what's in this contact box because it would just be for me, but I will be posting on my Instagram about what I've got in here and stuff. But yes, it'll be discount codes. I'll probably put a discount code in my Instagram bio, but also on YouTube in descriptions and whatnot. I won't be like, I'm not sponsored the fact of I'm going to be advertising their stuff, but just in a way that you'll get a discount. It started to rain, so I'm probably going to head in a sec. But tomorrow I'm going to be up at a Cousin Coffee in the morning, up in Andover. It was going to be Fruxton, but Fruxton were like, no, you're not going to get very much space. A friend's organised it and this is his first show, so I'm definitely going to be there. It should be a good video. And, well, see you all later.